Appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research before tuning into the live stream. All right, so yes, let's go over today what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. 1 second here, I gotta pull this up. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Pretty much just gonna pull up all these other chats, and then yeah, we're gonna get started. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Barman, what's up, bro? Good to see you guys. All right, yeah, I just told the team we're on live, so they should be popping in soon. All right, so yes, we will be going over Apple. I do see that play there that actually doesn't look too bad. First, we do want to start on the cues, see what we got here, see what the damage is. Hopefully, there we go. You guys can see my screen a little bit better. All right. Hold on 1 second here. All right, there we go. Looks like we got some better lighting on this. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, let's go over what I'm looking at. Yo, Jeff, what's up, bro? Lawnmower, what's good? What's good? All right, so yeah, let's go over the keys first. First thing that I do see, yes, under us, we got some empty space here. So I did end up seeing that, yes, we got this clear gap up of no consolidation. So this is what I would want to the downside. So that right there. I do see, yeah, we got a nice top. Actually, pretty decent bottom wall, I will say. So it doesn't look too bad. Want to see if we can break under our bottom wall here into this empty space. So hold on, let's see if I can grab my horizontal line. Looks good. So yeah, body candle, wick, empty space here. I did end up looking at this on a lower time frame, so there is a little bit of turbulence, so got to be careful on that. So that's pretty much all that I can see. Hold on, let's see. We'll go down to the lower time frame too. So the 45-minute would have to, at least for me, I'm not sure about anyone else, but I would want it under this 616 area. Obviously on the 30-minute chart, you can see that got a little bit of turbulence here, and then we would have to clear this as well. So that's why I can see that is on the cues. Obviously, yes, we got a little bit of upside too. So yeah, the upside that I can see. Oh, let's see here. Yo, yes, you are. Thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. All right. So yeah, looks good. Still, we got some empty space above us. So yeah, not a bad little move if we want to get it. If we want to go up today. So 621. Love to see up to this 623. So basically another clear gap down here, and then yes, empty space is above us, so looks good. All right, and yes, if I sound a little off today, I'm still a little sick, so I'm still gonna be here. I still feel great, but yeah. All right, cool. Let's see here. So we're pretty much in these boxes. Want to see if we can stay inside this box and still open. All right, cool. So let's take a look. We're gonna look at SPY too. I got you, man. We're gonna pull that up. We're gonna pull up all these little trades here. Hopefully you guys can see there you go, the screen. Yo, Fritz, yeah, I got you, man. Can you see the upside again? Yeah, I got you. So I get it. Yes, we might have a little bit of a gap here, but it's just looking a little bit sloppy to me. So obviously, yeah, we could end up breaking above the 619 and then targeting maybe a little lotto is, at least for me, wouldn't be bad. But yeah, I personally do like to see if we can clear this. So basically seeing this clear gap down here, and then above that 621, we got empty space, which is above us, and that looks really good to me. So, and looks like all of our other plays that we ended up having, you can see what we did just yesterday. So it's pretty much same thing. Clear gap down there. We had our break above our wall, and then boom, that empty space there. So same thing. SOFI was another great move. Clear gap down. We broke above our consolidation area, and then yeah, we had the empty space, which we hit those targets. So that's what I'll be looking for. Yesterday was a great opening day. You can see what ended up happening on a few plays, what a few other members ended up doing. And yeah, not a bad little day for sure. Alright, so yeah, that's on the Qs. Let's go over SPY now. Let's see here. Let's look at the damage. I already had a couple things lined up here. But, okay. The 30-minute chart doesn't look bad, I will say. It doesn't look terrible. Okay. Alright, so the 1 hour doesn't look terrible. Let me look at this 45-minute too. 45-minute. Okay, cool. 30-minute charts. Let's see. Okay. I will be honest, I do like this 30-minute chart. The 1 hour looks good too as well. What's your entry on SCCO? Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over those as well. So yeah, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. We will go over those. Can you zoom? Yo, Myra, yeah, I got you. Yeah, alright, so yeah, I got you guys. Hold on, so yeah, this is a QQQ chart. So this is where we're currently at. Hopefully I should. So yeah, hopefully we can get out these boxes. Right now we're just sitting in consolidation. So for me, I don't really want to be in consolidation. I kind of want to break out consolidation. So you can see where we're at this 618 area. So either want it to get above the 621 into the empty space, or break down from the 617, 616 level, and then empty space is below us. So yeah, that's just all that I see. That is on the keys. So yeah, we'll have to see how things open up for today. All right, I will be honest. All right, so this isn't going to be a crazy move, but this is what I like. I probably should change this song really quickly. So, all right, there we go. All right, so I did this on a 30-minute. I've seen 2 wicks here. So basically, we got these 2 wicks that look good. Thank you, Leo, Mario. Yeah, no worries. Appreciate you being here. Honestly, a very few people spell it that way. Pretty cool. All right, so yeah, under that 686 area, I do see that we got down to the 685, and then we have another box here, and then another little area of no consolidation. So if this ends up happening, I might end up, trying it, and then if it wants to, hit the target, so I might leave like a lotto runner trying to reach this little empty space here. So it actually doesn't look bad. Looks actually really good. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. To the upside though, let me take a look here. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Looks like we got it. Maybe just a little bit. Let's see. So I do see that we have like basically 3 wicks here. So that's going to be my top and bottom wall. Alright, cool. 689 up to this 690. Looks decent. Alright, yeah, we got some empty space, which is right above us. So, yeah, it doesn't look bad. If it wants to, go up today, that's perfectly fine. That's just what I can see, which looks good. Yo, good morning, everyone. Yo, Meyer, thanks for the roses. I think you said that was the correct way, was Lee a few lives ago. All good. So it's spelled with 1 E, and the reason is because I'm half Asian. So, and no, I'm not trolling. But yeah, it's just LE. But yeah, no worries. All good. All right. So yeah, well, let's keep going here. All right. So we did the keys. We did that. We'll go over Apple. So Apple does look good as well. Yo, Sickness, what's up, bro? And yeah, you can see what we did yesterday in the Discord. Honestly, I'm going to stay patient today. I'm not going to rush into anything. So, see in the games page what we ended up doing. So, we had this Tesla play. Had a couple other plays too as well. You can see SOFI, clear gap down. We ended up breaking above the wall. So, yeah, we had a couple good plays, I will say. Not bad. You can see a couple plays we were already holding, things of that sort. See what a few members did on that SOFI play. So, looking for that bigger picture. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I'll get stopped out and find a new trade. So, no, you're good, Myra. Appreciate you being here. All good, all good. Yo, good morning, good morning. IWM and then Meta. Yep, I got you, bro. Red Eagle, what's up? Yeah, got you with Tesla. Of course, I can't go out without looking at Tesla, of course. Alright, so, okay, let me see. Let me look at this 1 hour really quickly. So, yeah, I do see, so there was an original box here. I do want to go to a nice 30-minute chart, just to see if we got some structure here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Just make sure if you do plan on joining, or if you're in the live stream just watching the free lives, just make sure you do go and research and read disclaimers, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Alright. So it looks like we're in this box as of right now. So we got another little area of consolidation. So what I would want to happen is, let's see. Yo, Rug is going crazy with the charts right now, guys. He's going wild. So yeah, I did like this 30-minute. It doesn't look too bad. You can also see that Rug posted a nice alternative inside the chat, so you guys can go look at that too as well. So this is like for a little move. Obviously, there's a little bit more on the higher time frame. But yes, right above us, we got empty space, which doesn't look too bad. So a little pocket above that 451 up to that 455. Actually, not a bad move, but yeah, we'll have to see how things will play out with this. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously, to the downside, I do see that. Let's take a look here. 448. So I want to see down to this 445. So it actually looks good, looks decent. We'll just have to see if we can get that little move, that little play. All right, cool. Yo, Double D, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, cool. Let's see. All right, one second here, guys. Yo, everyone, I'm back. Alright, so yes, we'll get straight to it. Alright, so yeah, empty space under us. We got under that 448. So actually, it doesn't look bad. We'll have to see how things play out with this. Looks pretty good. So Tesla, alright, cool. Obviously, in that higher time frame, there was a little bit more of a pocket there. So as you can see, which doesn't look bad. So obviously that 4 hour would have to break above that 456 level pretty much, and then we got empty space, which is above us too. So if that ends up happening, might end up leaving a little lotto runner. We'll see how that plays out. All right, so we'll keep on going here. My bad, I'm getting a lot of phone calls right now. Alright, cool. So, I know someone's going to ask me about Apple, so we're going to go ahead and already do this. And then, yes, after this, we'll pull up all these other stocks, little trades that I will be looking at. Yo, Productive, thanks for the, thanks for tapping the screen, man. Appreciate it. Alright, so, Apple. So, this is a box. I think I drew this one just yesterday, or I don't know. I could have had this morning. I'm not sure. But, yeah. Either way, we still got this box here. So clear gap down, no consolidation, and then yes, right above us, got some empty space. So, I mean, yeah, this is a play that I like. Honestly, for this though, I will wait for a nice candle close. I don't really want to chase into this. So clear gap down, empty space. Looks like all of our other plays. I just want some, you know, I just want some confirmation, whether if that's on a lower time frame. So Tesla, we took this on a lower time frame. We found that confirmation. Same thing, SOFI. I think we took this one on a 30-minute chart. And, you know, obviously, you know, at least for me, starters, lottos could be fine. But I'll be looking for a nice close. And then, yeah, above that, 271, we got a little bit more empty space up to this 276. So, doesn't look too bad. All right, cool. Bro, you know what's crazy? Everyone in the VIP, well, maybe not everyone, but a lot of people in the VIP Discord, they changed their profile pictures to my picture, which is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna click on any profile, but look, I woke up this morning, I thought I was tripping, but they're all different people. Carla, Fabi, and Lawnmower, they're all the same profile picture. It's wild. I was like, what are these people up to? No, I'm kidding. All right, yeah, let's keep on going. We're gonna pull up all these other stocks really quickly. But yeah, they all changed their profile pictures. That was pretty funny. All right, so what do we got? We got BA. We got to do. Let's see here. Meta. Let's take a look. And yes, just remember, everyone do their own research, not financial advice. Yo, Liz, what's up? SMCI. Okay, cool. Oh no, I just dropped my pen. Where's my pen? Alright, cool. So we did Tesla already. We got to do NVO. Alright, perfect. We'll also... Hold on, I'm just scrolling up really quickly. And also, yeah, we got to go over IWM. We'll do that. Also, I do want to look at NVDA. Let's see what we got there. Let's see what the damage is on that. Alright, so actually, yeah, let's do IWM first. So we get some ETFs out the way pretty much. And yeah, let's start fresh. And then, yeah, we'll do Meta after. Alright, cool. Yeah, we got pretty much everything lined up. So if I did end up missing you, I'll try my best to go over it. Alright, let's see here. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this. You know what? It doesn't have a great... Hold on, let's see. Okay. Actually, okay, it actually doesn't look bad. So, pretty much same thing here, what I see. Okay. Yeah, that 1 hour doesn't look terrible. 45-minute looks good though. So the 45. So the 1 hour looks good. I feel like the 30-minute 1 hour has a lot of better structure. 251. The 30-minute has some good structure here. So I do want to use this 30-minute. So what I do see here, which doesn't look bad, actually not bad at all. So. And yes, actually there's another box here, so there's more boxes inside of boxes, which is perfectly fine. So under this 251, we'll love to see down to this 249, and then yes, we got a little bit more of a pocket here, probably down to this 247. So I just seen a little bit of structure there, which I do like. So if we can end up breaking out of that, it looks good. Really just depends on how this wants to play out. I do see that above us, let's take a look. So maybe on this 45-minute chart we can go over this. Yeah, it literally doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I see another little box here. So at this 253 area, and then yes, as you can see, at least for me, I don't know what you guys see and gals. Obviously you can see something a little bit different, which is fine. But at least for me, I do see some empty space up to that 253, up to that 254, and then after that, there's another pocket here up to that 255, and then after that, we got another empty space move up to that 258. So if I end up trying this, I definitely want to see my targets hit, and then I I might end up leaving a lotto runner. So some lotto runners to see if we can hit those upsides. So yeah, not too bad. Not a bad move at all. We'll love to see if we can clear it. And then yeah, we got some empty space, which looks really good. So right now we're just inside of this box. So we got to see if we can break this box, or honestly, if we So I do remember the last time we taken this without the empty space. We pretty much traded it inside of the box. So let's just say if we do end up going down, but we don't want to finish the move, might end up getting some at this buyer's control there. We'll just have to see though. We'll see how things play out. Obviously, you know, market isn't open, so not telling anyone to get in or out of trades or do anything. So please do your own research. All right, cool. So that was on IWM. Let's take a look at Meta. All right, so on Meta, I'll be honest with you, and yes, let's take a look here. All right, so yeah, so at least on this 24-hour chart, the 24-hour chart looks good. So, and this is what I do like. At least I do want to see if we can get above this 673 area to target into this empty space, which looks good. Clear gap down, no consolidation. But on a 1 hour, we can also break this down too as well. Let's see. So yeah, I'll be honest, I like that higher time frame, but we'll go down to the lower time frame, 30 minutes. Let's see here. So this is if we want to drop. So not saying that we will, but if we do, looks good. Yo, Dark Trader, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Let's see. So yeah, if I sound off today, guys, I'm just a little sick, but I was sick yesterday. I'll still be here pretty much the full day. So yeah, I'll still be here, guys and gals. All right, so yeah, clear gap up, empty space under that 656 looks really good. All right, so yeah, that's on Meta. That's if we want to drop, but yeah, on the higher time frame, there's that bigger move that looks really good. Dude, I swear, we've been looking for a Dark Trader for forever, man. So it seems like he always, like, he's here and then, like, he'll just disappear out of nowhere. But welcome back, bro. Good to see you, man. Alright, so yeah, that's there. We'll take a look. We'll keep on going. NVDA, let's take a look on the... Hopefully you guys can see this chart here. That would be great. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, it still looks good, okay? This was a move that I still like. We just haven't gotten there yet, so if I scroll in, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So there is this clear gap down, no consolidation. So boom, clear gap down. I do want to see above this 192. So basically this break outside of this level here, and then yes, we got empty space, which is above us up to this 195. So it looks good, looks decent. Just want to see if we can get that nice break. Right now, looks like we do have a little bit of a pocket. We could have a pocket here, of course, but that's just like a small move. So want to see if we can get a nice little break. So looks good. All right, cool. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. If you do plan on joining the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research, of course, and read disclaimers. But yeah, give me 1 second. If I missed your stock, your trade, just go ahead and drop those in the comments. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, so my bad. I keep leaving. I'm just taking some medicine really quickly, and then we'll get started. All right, so yeah, and I know like yesterday was a good day too, and I did not sound excited at all. I was pretty excited, but yeah. All right, let's see here. All right, cool. Okay, so we did in video. We got to go over BA. All right, let's take a look here. Yo, David, what's up? Yeah, I got you, man. Bruh, what's up, man? What's up, Julio? What's wrong? All right, so for BA, I think I did this on the weekly chart actually. So yeah, weekly chart. I already have this pretty much planned out if we can get this nice break here. So yeah, what I can see here, which looks good, we got empty space above us. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. I do want to see if we can break above this 235. So hopefully a nice weekly candle close above this wall here, and then yeah, we got empty space, which is up to that 259. So pretty much the same move, weekly chart, just a higher time frame. So for me, if this ends up happening, I feel like it would take a lot longer for this to go. But yeah, it looks really good. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. I gotta post some charts. So Rugged already posted a lot of these charts here, which look really good. So if you're already inside the chat, you'll see what we're looking at. Yeah, we got some decent moves for today, I will be honest. All right, cool. Let's see. Okay, so we did BA. We got to go over SMCI and NVO, and then yes, I'll pull up all these other stocks we didn't go over. All right, hold on. Let's see. So on SMCI, I'll be honest with you. If it'll load, I'll be honest. Okay. So I do like the upside, but we just haven't gotten this break yet. So I do want to see outside of this 3188. So we did that on that 24-hour chart. But okay, so we can get rid of this really quickly. And I will say, yeah, we got empty space, which is above us here. So if we can close like this, so yeah, we would need to close like this in order for us to establish this as a wall. So above this 3062, I get it, not the craziest move, but up to that 3147, we got another little Potter box play if we can get this nice break. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation, and looks good. So yeah, this is on a 1 hour. So at least for this little move, this is on a 1 hour chart. But let's see. We go to a 24-hour, so that higher time frame move that you see here. I pretty much just went by the wicks here. So seeing like a wick, another wick here, and then yeah, that was that. So if we can get a nice 24-hour candle close outside of this box here, whenever that will happen. Obviously, not saying it'll happen today, but if it does, that's what I would like to the upside. So not a bad little move. Let's see. Are you trading NVIDIA today? If it has a move, I definitely will try it for sure. But if it doesn't have a move, or if we stay inside those boxes, then yeah, I'll definitely skip out on it. Yo, Tyler Liz, yeah, no worries. Remember, thanks for trading the live stream, appreciate it. All right, let's see here. Let's see what the damage is here on NVO. All right, so what's it? Yeah, that's crazy actually. So let's see here. I do like the 24-hour. The 24-hour looks actually really good. 24-hour chart. But I will say I do like the lower time frame as well. But yeah, the 24-hour actually looks pretty good. So what I see here, it looks like we're already inside of this gap here. So looks like we're trying to go inside here. And if we do, up to that 59.24. But I do see that, and yes, this is going to be more of a range rather than a box here. So before you say anything, I understand this is just like a little range rather than a Potter box. But if we can get above this 62.48 level, I would love to see if we can get up to the 70.49. So it looks good. It looks decent, but we just gotta see if we can get that nice little break. So yeah, clear gap down there, no consolidation. Yeah, we got the empty space, which looks good. So we'll see how that plays out, actually. So this is on what? NVIDIA. Honestly, I do like swinging NVIDIA when it has some decent moves. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, so now we covered all these trades here. I think I've written down pretty much everything. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, I've written that down. Let's see here. All right, now it's time to go over these other stocks you guys wanted me to go over, so let's do it. Let's do it. Yo, Logan, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, man. Let's see. So you wanted to see MU? I think there was another one you wanted me to look at, so my bad on that. Let me take a scroll up. OKLO. All right, so that was a request. Sound. Yo, David, what's up? Hopefully you're still watching, so hopefully we can CVX. Yo, Toyota guy, what's up, man? CVX. All right, cool, cool, cool. And Microsoft. All right, MSFT. Oops, wrong one. Typed the wrong one in. All right, so yeah, you guys want to see OKLO too as well. All right, so yeah, on OKLO, let's see here. We're gonna go down to this lower time frame and break this down. So yeah, we ended up getting this nice break outside this wall here. So OKLO is doing this thing right now. So it, you know, we had this nice clear break outside of our box here on side of this 4-hour candle, and yeah, we ended up getting this nice continuation. So if we do want to, you know, get this continuation and hit these targets, my first target is this 96.18, and then my final will be this 103. So still a little bit of empty space that is clearly above us. We're just gonna have to see how that wants to play out, pretty much. All right, so yeah, that is on. Let's see. Okay, oh yeah, nice little move, and then yes, I will be honest with you. Once we build some structure, so hopefully, you know, the targets can hit, of course, to the upside. But once we can build some structure, I'll tell you, this is a lot of empty space that actually looks pretty decent. So we'll just have to see how things play out with this. Looks really good. All right, let me get this ad off the screen really quickly. All right, cool, cool, cool. Alright, so that's that. MU. Alright, so yeah, actually, okay, although looks like we're trying, but we'll see. MU to the upside. Alright, we gotta go to a higher time frame, I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, so honestly, let's take a look here. Yeah, nothing really stopping us to this upside, so we would have to go to a lower time frame and then look at this. Let's see here. Maybe a nice little 4-hour, maybe a 2-hour. Let's see. Hold on, let's see here. He said, yo, live. I think I'll be on time today. Alright, so yeah, let's see. What is this? 317. Alright. Actually, not a bad move. Pretty decent, I would say. So, yeah. So nice top bottom wall here, and then yes, we break above that 317, so hopefully we get a nice candle body close. Do want to see if we can get up to this 326 area. So right now we're just in that box, so I personally won't be taking anything on this. Obviously everyone knows this by now, so For today, just going to take my time and not rush into anything. Obviously, downside. Let's see if there's a box on a lower time frame. Let's see here. So, I'll be honest, it's not really the best spot. Actually, not a bad box. It's just small. So, yeah, under this, let's see. 306 area, if we do end up getting that nice breaking continuation. We got empty space down to that 295. So sometimes, you know, there will be plays to both sides, and honestly, I could care less where they go as long as they can go somewhere. So right now we're just in those boxes. So same thing like the plays from yesterday. See MU, what? Clear gap down. You can see we had Tesla, clear gap down. We needed to break about our consolidation, which we did, which led us to the empty space above. So that's what I'll be looking at. This is what I'll be looking for. So hopefully we can do that. So all right, so alright, cool. So we did that. We gotta go over sound. Okay, I'm gonna pull up all these other stocks really quickly. Alright, so I think someone wanted to see CVX. Okay, yeah, we do have CVX pulled up. Microsoft, we gotta do that as well. We already did OKLO. So we gotta do sound. So we haven't done sound yet either. Alright, cool. ZETA, alright, perfect. Alright, cool. Can I see MU on the downside? Alright, yeah. So I did this on the 30-minute chart. Obviously, no, not telling anyone to get in to trades or get out of trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. But at least for me, I don't know about you guys. Obviously, you can see it a little bit different, but clear gap up, no consolidation. So under that 306 area, I want to see if we can somehow get down to this 295. So we got a long ways to go. We'll just have to see how that plays out. So not a little bad thing for today. All right, cool. So that's on MU. All right, yes, guys, and yes, we'll do CVX as soon as I'm back. So nice little water break. If you have any more requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. If you do plan on joining the Discord, just make sure to read disclaimers and do your own research, of course. So yes, links in the bio, but honestly, the free chat is there too as well. All right, give me 1 second. We'll drop your requests, and yes, I'll be right back. All right, cool. Yo, alright, so yes, I'm back here. Let's see. Alright, so CVX. I'll be honest, man, yeah, we ended up having a crazy gap up. So we already kind of touched our TPs on this. So I would have to look for a higher time frame at least. And let's see here. So yeah, I mean, you know, there's a little pocket here that we could end up targeting into. So what I do see on this, which, you know, doesn't look terrible, doesn't look bad. We do got a little bit empty space here, so nice top wall, bottom wall here. So I'm over a little bit of a range, but I still like this top box here. So above this 172, if we can. Not saying that we will, but if we do. Do want to see this upside up into this, let's see, 178. So actually not a bad little move, little gap there that hasn't been tampered with. So if we do want to get up there, that's what I can see, which doesn't look too bad. So yeah. Empty space, which is above us, looks good. All right, cool. So Microsoft, I'm gonna tweak this up a bit. I think I drew this up. Okay. So looks like we had an original box that went back into the box, but we built a little bit more structure. So this is what I like on this. So it looks like that happened after hours. But yes, right above our 475. We got empty space up to this, so basically another little empty space move. So above this 185 or 485, that'll be that little final play. Right now, we're just inside this box. So just like all these other plays, inside the box, want to see if we can get that nice break outside that wall so we can have that empty space. So you guys want to see Apple and then Tesla. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over those. Yo, Penny, what's up? What's up? All right, yeah, I got you. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Yes, we'll go over ZETA and then yes, we got sound. We got those two to do first, and then we're gonna pull up UNH. Tesla. Okay, we just did Microsoft. Yo, Johnny, what's up, man? All right, cool. All right, and then yeah, IWM, and then the Qs. Yo, Chance. Got you, I got you. All right, so on sound, we haven't went over this yet. We're supposed to go over this one a long time ago. I think we had a box here. I'm not sure what I'm looking at. All right, yeah, I still like it. It still looks good. We still got empty space, which is above us. So yeah, above this 1288 area. I do want to see if we can potentially, not saying that we will, but I hope one day we can get above that 1288 up to that 1429. Let's see, 4 hour. Okay, I get it. Yeah, maybe there's a 4 hour box here, but I do like that 24 hour, which doesn't look bad. So that is above that 1133 for our little early entry. All right, so yeah, that's there. We'll go over ZETA as well. We'll see. All right, so yeah. So ZETA, it looks like we already hit a target here. So I'm pretty sure we did this on a weekly chart. So yeah, let's see. All right. Oh yeah, that had a crazy. Yeah, I had a crazy little gap up. Or did I do this on 1 month? Hold on. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see. Actually, yeah, we did. Looks like we did this on a 1 month chart here. We broke above, and then yeah, we ended up just gapping up to my first target, which was that 2366. So yeah, if we end up, you know, getting that continuation, want to see up to that 2643. So not a little bad move. Want to see if we can get that little next little final target. So that's at 2643. So actually looks really good. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you. Appreciate you being here once again. What in the 1980s? Dude, I don't know. It's just like a random playlist, honestly. I don't know if I can even show it, but yeah, it's just like some random playlist. I guess it's like for like charting and stuff. I don't know. I kind of like to stay focused. So I like to have like some, like, I guess some chill music, I guess you could say. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so yeah, right here on UNH, so we actually had this nice close at this wall here. So right at this wall. And then yeah, this next candle we ended up having a nice close. If we end up continuing, 355 actually looks really good. And then that 368. So that will be those final targets for me. That's something that does look really good. So looks like we're in the empty space. We might have a little retest, but other than that, it looks good to the upside. And no, not telling anyone to get in or anything. So yes, please do your own research, of course. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so that's there. Let's take a look. All right, let's see. XYZ. Yo, Captain, what's up? DK and G. All right, cool. Let's see here. What, just NVO? Okay, yeah, we'll go over that again. All right, cool. So, yeah, XYZ, yeah, we are above our wall now. So, we got that 4-hour close. Would love to see a nice little, maybe a nice retest. But, yeah, I still like the upside. See if we can hit that 70.32 and then that 73.40. Worst come to worst, we might end up retesting this wall here at the 6.727. So, that's all that I can see, which looks good. Still got some empty space, which is above us. So yeah, that clear gap down. We'll love to see if we could, yeah, hit those targets. Not too bad though. Yeah, no worries, Penny. Hope you have a blessed one as well. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. All right, so let's see. DraftKings. So we are above this wall here. And the only thing about this one, I kind of wanted a strong close, so the only reason why I said Lotto is because we didn't really have a strong close. I would love to see if we can get some sort of nice retest, or if we can have a nice strong close end of day or later today, in order for us to finish this upside. So it still looks good to me. I still like it. I do want to see how this candle will react and see if we can get a nice another close outside of this box end of the day too. So still looks good. Still like it. Empty space there. Alright, so Tesla, we ended up, okay, so there's another box here though. Another box. Alright, so yeah, we ended up already breaking under this wall here. Yeah, the downside looks crazy. So we already closed under, but I would like to see if we can retest before we touch this. So retest for this entry there, or if we end up still dropping, there's another little play under that 443. Down to this 440. So I get it, not the craziest downside there, but still looks really good. So yeah, we got this Potter box, top bottom wall, empty space, which looks really good. Not too bad there. Alright, yes, give me 1 second, guys. I do have to grab my charger, so give me 1 second here. I'm going to grab this charger really quickly and plug this one in. Alright, but yeah, Tesla still looks good. I still like it. And then, yes, we'll go over the Qs. Where's Apple at? Alright, yeah, we got some time. We got some time, guys. Alright, yeah, we're good. Alright, so yes, let's plug this in here. Let's see. Yo, Productive, thanks for the likes, bro. Appreciate it, man. Good to see you, bro. Hope you're having a blessed day today. All right, so I think we did. So Envia, yeah, we just did this one. So personally, for me, I do like this. So I do want to see above the 62.48. So nice strong candle close outside this box. And then yeah, we got some empty space above us up to the 70.49, and then final, or yeah, that will be that final target. And then yes, we got another little pocket here. So also looks good. So pretty much the same move, same thing, but we'll just have to see if that will want to play out for us. So it looks really good. All right, so DraftKings, we just did this one, so I still like it. I do want to see if I can get like a really decent entry today on this. We'll have to see though. I do want to see a nice strong close, so that's what I can see there. So we did XYZ, QQQ. So yeah, we did the Qs. As of now, yeah, we're just in this these boxes. So basically, what I would want to happen is to break outside this box. So outside of the 617, we got empty space down to the 613 there, and above us. So we actually tried the upside one in 30 minutes. So 30 minute actually still looks good. So basically, I've seen a lot of points of contact. Two body candles, wick there. So I do want to see above that 621 up to this, let's see, 623. So it looks good, looks decent. We'll just have to see if we can get that little move. All right, so IWM, let's take a look, see what the damage is here. Actually, we got it pulled up already. All right, so all right, cool. So yeah, as of right now, it doesn't look bad, I will say. So what looks good to me is this. We got empty space, which is below us. And this is on a little 30-minute chart, of course. So what I would like is, yeah, if we can break outside of this 251 area, get a nice little close. We got empty space down to this 249, which looks good. Obviously to the upside. So I actually tried this on a 45-minute, I believe. So yeah, 45 minutes. Below that 253. We got that empty space above us to that 254. And then yeah, another little pocket here. So pocket here. And then a bigger pocket there. So it actually looks good. We'll just have to see how things play out. We're just in that box now. So want to see if we can break outside those boxes for that empty space. So it looks good. All right, cool. All right, so let's see. All right, so yo, Captain, yes, I'm low-key like really sick. So I was sick yesterday. I don't know if you could you probably could hear it today, but yeah, I don't know. I think I got it a little worse, but I'll still be here. I'll still be in the Discord. I'll still be in the live streams, but yes, a little bit. How long will you be on live for? So I actually will be getting off soon, and then I'll be in the Discord, and then after that, I'll be on live for in about an hour or so. I'll be on live for about like 30 minutes to over an hour. Really just depends on, how the market wants to move. But yeah, you can see what we do here. Honestly, you don't even have to join the VIP Discord if you don't want to. You can even watch my free live streams or, join the free Discord. You can also talk to the members, see what we do here. Let's see here. But yeah, you can see what we did yesterday. And yes, I was I was sick yesterday too, but I was still here. We still waited for those trades, and we still got those entries, exits. You can see what happened on SO5. A couple of those other trades we ended up getting into as well. And yeah, that was pretty much it for yesterday. So I try to be as simple as I can be, And if it works, cool. If it doesn't, then I'll just stop out pretty much. Yo, yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I'll be here. So, yeah, I still like, I still want to get in a couple trades and, help, potentially help other people. Not saying that, I will hit every trade. Obviously, I lose sometimes, which is fine. Do you, let's see. Okay, hello, I got you guys. All right, cool. Do you live trade every day from 9 to 4:30 on your Discord? So, I'm there pretty much every day, all day. Our main trades, so during the day, I do like to do maybe the first 1 or 2 hours for our decent day trades. And then anything after that, let's say if we get a decent move, though there will be smaller trades. And then at the end of the day, I do like to have my swings. So swing trades at the end of the day, that's what I like. But yeah, I'll pretty much be there all day. You can see I posted a couple of trades even yesterday. So even these IWM lotto calls, they ended up hitting there. So, and this was after lunchtime. All right, cool. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, hello. So yeah, okay, hello. Looks like we had a nice little pullback. But yeah, we ended up having a nice break outside this box here. We're pretty much shy at this first TP. So if we can continue, looks good up to this 96.18, and then that final will be that 103.06. So those look good to me. Not too bad at all. All right, so hold on. Let's see here. Oh, let's see. Alright, cool. Send a couple messages. No, I'm not in meta. I know some people are in that ORCL though. So I'm still waiting on a few of these entries. So yeah, we'll pull these up really quickly. Hold on, let's see here. Arm, yeah, got you guys. So yeah, I still like ORCL, but I want a clear close outside this box here. I personally may not get into this during the day just because I seen how it's acting. So I kind of want to see end of the day if we can get above this 199 area so we can get this nice push into the empty space. So looks good to me, but yeah, we're just in that box here. So I'm going to wait on that. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. All right, so that's there. And then ARM, let's take a look here. Dude, yeah, I already have something here. Let's see. Nice 2-hour chart. So personally, at least for me, I do want to see above this 126 up to this 130. But I do remember going on this 24-hour. And yeah, it looks like we could end up building a nice box. So we still got a lot of empty space here. If we built structure, honestly, if we built this top wall like this, if we close like this, that'll be a wick. That'll be 2 body candles. So yeah, that's what I would like. And then yeah, we got empty space above us. So yeah, looks good. But lower time frame, I do like that 126 up to that 120 or 130. So looks good. All right, cool. Let's see here, AMD. Dude, yeah, we got a little something here. Let's see. All right, so I get it. This is going to be more of a range rather than a box, but this is what I still like here. So above this 225, we do have empty space that is right at this 229. So looks good, not too bad there. Empty space is there. I want to see if we can break outside that level, that wall. Looks good, looks decent. So yeah, I want to see if we can get that break. Empty space looks good. Not too bad there. Obviously downside, we've got a box here under this 210. I want to see down to this let's see, 204. So actually not a bad move. We'll just have to see how things play out with that. So it looks good. So not bad at all. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I do have a lot of work to do, a lot of typing to do. I'm still going to be here. So yes, Gonna be a great day. Hope you all have a blessed one. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be on live still in about an hour. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen.